And you mentioned the page template design, which is like also very unique insight. And honestly, we haven't been like really talking a lot about it. Are you referring to, for example, you want to put a like a index and outline at the beginning, you want to have quotes, you want to have FAQs at the end, so more of like the components of the page, or are you talking more about like the design, the visually appealing side of the page template design?
Yeah. I mean, overall, I'm talking about all those things. When it comes to page templates, it's more like, for example, if you look at a blog template, or it doesn't have to be a blog, any type of content template, just how can we make it as easy as possible for someone to find the information they're looking for? Like one thing I've seen from looking at things like Hotjar recordings and stuff is some people read stuff top to bottom, but a lot of people don't. And I know I have like undiagnosed ADD. I think I'm bouncing around. I'm looking for things. And if I go to a page, I'm trying to find the thing I'm looking for. I came there with a very specific thing in mind. And how do you design pages? That's a question we're asking. How do you design pages where users can find exactly what they're looking for and get value? So a lot of that is things like, table of contents, structuring the headings. We're even playing around with sort of Notion style toggles where with certain things where we think, well, some people might want this information, but some people don't. And we don't want to make them have to skim through like a big, fat, chunky paragraph. So we want to make it as digestible as possible. And then another thing is just making it more visual. Because I know what a lot of people do is they go to a page, they scroll up and down, and they sort of decide, do I want to stay here? So a lot of it is about conveying premium quality, where, look, we are not just spitting out text like anybody else. We put time into this, and we are signaling that via our design and the visuals on the page.